The number of contracts of this report dropped
25.9%,
but buyer activity is up year over year. It's Friday, October 10th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Buyers showing activity on the Eastern Shore is up 30% over last year, though fewer homes went under contract this report. Homes for sale on the shore have risen only 0.6 units for sale to 2,271 at a median list price of $419,000. This median is up 23% from last October's median of $339,796. 98 homes will be coming to the market, reflecting 24% fewer this report than last. 160 homes went under contract in 27 days at a median list price of $339,195. This is 35% fewer contracts than last week's report. 101 homes sold in 30 days at 98.7% at a median $370,000. Homes for lease rose again this week by 3 to 158 units at a median $2,338 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, October 10th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.